Hello and welcome to Craft Divas. So today we are going to be doing the mini markers. So let me show you guys. So putting pictures on the mini markers. So you can find these at any store. You can find these at the dollar store in a 3-pack. They're the mini markers. Um, and we're going to design them. Alright, so first thing you want to do is go to your shapes and get a rectangle. And the measurements are 2 by 2. So once you have the 2 by 2, we want to make it now all the markers are different as far as the colors. So the colors that I have is these 3 colors here. So you want to go to format, shape, fill, and pick the color that you have. So let's say if I had the blue marker, I would do the blue and bring in a picture. So you would go to insert pictures and get a picture off of your computer. And I don't know why my picture is like turning this way. It's like they're crazy or something. And let me crop that down a little bit. Alright, so now I need to put this picture on top of here. And because of how the picture comes in, if I try to change it, it's not going to be even. So I need to go to hit the little arrow next to the size and unlock that ratio, and I normally do these 1.75 by 1.75. That way it kind of fits a little bit in the middle. You can have a border. Now you can do them 1.9 by 1.9 just so you can have a little bit of the edge. So either one is fine. I like doing the 1.75 because when you go to put it on the marker, as you can see, this top and bottom, that is how the marker is under the label. You can see a little piece of it, so it actually works out to make it look like it's part of it. It's so super cool, but it's no preference, totally up to you. Now if I wanted to put this picture on here and it looks so far away, I would have to crop this one out. So I'm going to format and crop this some. Alright, and then I'll have to unlock it, of course, and add this 1.75. And there you go. Now these are really small, but you still can put wording on them if you want to. So you go to insert word art and type in what you want. And let's put some color to it. So maybe the outline to match. Hey, there we go. And I'm not gonna do it again. I am just gonna copy and paste and then just change. There you go. So you can kind of make it a little bigger. You can make it a little bigger on this one too. So see, simple, easy. That's how you do it. Like I said, the template itself is 2 by 2, and you can do your picture whatever size. If you wanted to do your picture the maximum 2 by 2 size, you can do that as well. There's no actual right or wrong way to do this. That's just my preference of how I want mine to be. But at the end of the day, when it's all said and done, this is the actual picture of how it will look in your once you have it all done. So voila, this is what you come up with. Let's see. Let me do one more just to show you guys. And then you can put your wording on there, which go word art. Let me change my font and because the way he has his hands spread out, like, hey, this is my world, what a day. And this is my baby. Boom. So you can play around with the designer however you want. I think these are cute ideas. You know, what princess or prince don't have their own markers with their names on it? Awesome sauce. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. It was just a quick tutorial to show you guys how to make these, and hope you like it. Try it out. Find us on Facebook or Instagram under Craft Divas, group and business. And you guys have a great day. Thank you.